How to see your backup photos on Google Photos. Open the Google Photos app in your Android or iPhone. Now, how you can see your backup photos? Firstly, move to the library. Now click on the trash icon. In this way, you can see here the photo is being deleted and in your trash. Now you have to click on restore. Click on the allow. Now this video is being restored. Now you have to see here that video will be restored in your Google Photos gallery or desktop. Before this, just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. And you want to make your videos backup, click on the profile. You can see here account storage or backup complete. Click on it. Now click on the circle which is present at the right top corner. Firstly, you have to make sure that your backup is turned on or turn off. If you want to backup your photo or videos, then turn it on. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.